Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will enter his house and dine with him, and he with me.
Since Blessed Trinity first opened 21 years ago, I have seen thousands of students pass through those doors.
As you all know, Blessed Trinity's Catholic identity is the cornerstone to our foundation. So now, perhaps more important than ever before, is the need for the renewal of our Catholic faith, which starts here in our school chapel.
Every BT student walks through the doors to our chapel. A wish that we have is to install a set of inner doors that will provide an appropriate entrance to the most sacred space on our campus and ensure that the chapel is a quiet place, well removed from the bustle of the busy hallways.
New doors to our school chapel, which is used by every student and faculty member, are needed to convey the significance of this most holy and spiritual space, even before entering. The doors to our chapel should stand out and stand apart from all other doors in our building.
Please join us, principals former and current, in making a gift to I Give Catholic to make our chapel an even more special place.